In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Behance cover photo. If you're wanting to update your Behance profile's appearance and make it pop with a fresh new banner image, you'll want to follow these steps. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and go to the Behance website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Behance homepage where you can start accessing your profile. Next, navigate to your profile. You can do this by looking in the upper right corner of the screen. You should see either your profile picture or an icon depicting a person. It might vary based on whether you've uploaded a profile image or not. Click on that image or icon to proceed to your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile, it's time to focus on your banner image. You should see the current banner image prominently displayed at the top of your profile. Beneath it, there might be a button or a small link that says Replace Banner Image or Change Cover Photo. Take a moment to locate that link. This is your gateway to customizing your profile's look. Now, go ahead and click on the Replace Image button. This will prompt a new window or a smaller dialog box to appear, which will give you the option to upload a new image from your device. This is an excellent chance to select a photo that's representative of your style or recent projects. Before you upload, make sure your chosen image meets Behance's size and resolution requirements to avoid any issues during the upload process. Select the image you'd like to use by clicking on either a Browse button or dragging and dropping your file into the designated area. Once the file is uploaded, you should see a preview of how it will look as your new banner image. If it looks great, you're already on your way. The final step is to save your changes. Look for a Done button, probably located on the bottom right of the dialog box or window. Clicking this will confirm your new cover photo and apply it to your profile for everyone to see. And there you have it. Your Behance cover photo is now updated. Remember, this is the first impression people will get when they visit your profile, so make sure it's visually impactful and aligns with the theme of your content. If you need to make any adjustments or change it again in the future, you now have the skills to do so quickly and easily. Happy creating, and thanks for tuning in today.